my YouTube family. Angela here, and you are at Angela Mutavi Art Channel, and please welcome back my subscribers, and for those who are new, please welcome. Today I am so excited to bring you another painting, which will be another pearl pour with cloud over, inspired by Sarah Taylor. If you like to check her channel, Sarah Taylor Modern Art. My base paint is gonna be just my Artist Loft with Liquitex medium GSC 800 and water. This here you see is phthalo blue plus moss black to make this beautiful bluish dark color. Next it is going to be crimson red with phthalo blue, and that makes indigo, and that's a beautiful indigo color. And then moving on, we have another color. This is gonna be a stunning color. This is a violet plum. It's called a violet plum, and it's a mixture of red. I put a third red, crimson red, plus the violet to make violet plum. Two more colors here. This is the 24 karat gold by Deco Art. It is stunning. It's a really beautiful color. And then we have last color we're gonna use. It's deep green plus turquoise to make these really nice deep green. And again, I have a 10 by 20 canvas that I'm gonna be using today. You might not see the whole thing, but because it's a little bit long, but yeah, I'm gonna be working on this. And like I said, it's gonna be a short video because I've done this technique before. So check out my a couple of my latest videos to see the technique. So let's go ahead and pour and tilt. Do is I'm gonna go ahead and put you on time lapse while I do this, and I might come in and out just to kind of explain what I'm doing, and enjoy the music and the video. And thank you so much for being here, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Okay guys, this is a wet results of this painting. I said it was gonna be short. It is short because I sped it up, but this painting took me about an hour to paint, and it is so beautiful. I mean, those colors mixed really well, and as you can see, the cloud over white color, it is so beautiful there. And the gold and the blues, they really complement each other. This painting is beautiful. It dried exactly the way it was wet. Nothing changed. I mean, I'm so amazing. I mean, I wish you can see the sparkle. It is so beautiful. You know, the gold color and the blues, they're just so beautiful. And then this looks like ice. Looks like ice river down in the middle, and that's the cloud over color, the white cloud over that I used. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's breathtaking. I love it. This did not develop a lot of cells, but this is just fine. It's beautiful that way. It just looks like oh, I don't even know how to explain it. This is so beautiful. I mean, I think the orientation of hanging it will just look better that way, just being hang upright, not sideways. I can try to hang it sideways and see how it would look, but I think upright will be the best way to hang it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I guess you can hang it this way also, but yes. So there it is. It's a beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and resin. Maybe I'll go ahead and varnish it first, and because it's very shiny as it is right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and varnish it, and then I'll put it on my Etsy store. I do have an Etsy store now, and I am going to put the link in the description below, so you guys can check out my paintings there and hopefully purchase some. Okay, yeah, so that's what I have right now. I had so much fun painting this, and yeah, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and again, thank you for being here, and I appreciate your support by watching my videos, and yes, God bless, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.